Hello student, welcome to the Mix Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the new recruitment which is released by the Oil India Limited. They have released the notification about the senior engineer. In that notification they have two type of post. One is experience based post and other one is the fresher post, which is without gate. They have conduct the separate examination. And what was the number of post? And as you are aware of that, the salary is as per the grade A salary, they have mentioned it. So all the basic details which is required to fill the Oil India recruitment form we will discuss in this video. So you need to stay at the end of the video, and if you have any type of question or queries, do mention in a comment box. We will definitely reach out very soon to you. So let's begin with that video. Recently Oil India Limited has released the notification, which is the PSU Government Organization. They have released the grade C, grade B and grade A post, which is a posting in Assam only. So here we will discuss about only for grade B post, which is related to engineering field. And the first post for the senior officer mechanical engineer. These posts are basically given by the only mechanical engineer having degree in particular domain. Like you need to have a minimum bachelor degree in with the 4 years of duration, minimum 65% you need to have it, and do not allow with these branches like automobile, industrial, power, manufacturing, production, mechatronics, mining, marine and robotics engineering. You are not allowed to fill these form because you are not having a core mechanical engineering degree. Instead of having some other degree, they have considered it. And going with the post, there are total 10 posts. In that the under reserve post for 4 OBC, for 3 EWS, for 1 SC, for 1 ST, for 1 and PWD 1. And going ahead with the salary structure, they have mentioned as per the government norms, the group B salary lies in 60,000 with the basic and maximum 1,80,000 along with the allowance as well. And maximum age limit for unreserved and EWS category was 27, OBC NLC was 30 and SC ST was 32 as well. So going ahead with the next, and upper age limit they have mentioned as per the relaxation, like they have mentioned for the Jammu and Kashmir domicile are maximum 5 years applicable. And they have mentioned the year from period of 1980 to 1989. If they have lies in that range, then they are relaxed for the 5 years of age. And they have also mentioned for other branch benchmark disability, like they have mentioned for PWD. Here they have mentioned it for 10 years for PWD under reserve, and for the 13 years for OBC, and SC if a candidate belong for PWD candidate, then 15 years are allowed. So depending on that case they have mentioned over here. And age relaxation for ex-serviceman is 5 years. So for other candidate they have mentioned over here. And if you want to get the more details about each and everything, just go on a description, you can read the official notification as well. So going ahead with the pay and allowance, as they have mentioned earlier, the basic pay was 60,000. Along with that you will go get with the allowance and DA and HRA as well. And minimum salary will be getting around 90,000 for the around 1,20,000 for grade B, and around 1,20,000. And for the grade C and grade A they have mentioned 90,000 and 1,50,000 as well. So for the grade B you need to get around 1,20,000. You need to go with undergo training for the probation period of 1 year, and they have mentioned over here. So going ahead with that, what was the selection process? They have conducted the CBT examination, along with that GD and group task with personal interview as well. The CBT, they have put the 100 marks for the computer based test. In that 50% for general OBC EWS candidate and 40% for SC ST and PWD candidate. For the phase 2 you need to have a group discussion and group task. In that 30 marks are there, weightage 5%. There is no qualifying marks for GD and GT. And again for the personal interview only 10% weightage and marks was 10, and there is no particular qualifying criteria for that. So overall 140 marks and weightage was total 100%. In that you mainly focus about written examination CBT, which have a maximum weightage was 85%. So going ahead with that, the candidate who qualified the phase 1 then again go for the GD and GTN personal interview, which is based on a CBT score. The merit list candidate drawn based on the weightage of computer based marks, group discussion, group task and personal interview as per the defined weightage. Candidate who qualified the CBT will call for the ratio of 1:5 for GD PI in the marks obtained in a CBT examination. Going ahead with the physical fitness, as per the norms of company, you need to, once you have selected in a CBT and PI and GD and GT, after clearing these 3 steps, so you have before appointment you undergo the medical, and medical is mostly conducted by the Oil India hospital, and they basically do with the basic test. If you have cleared, then you will appoint as a engineer in Oil India Limited. Going ahead with the verification of document, whichever you have mentioned and whatever minimum requirement as per the organization mentioned in advertisement, you need to fulfill. And once you have clear the document verification, then the appointment letter will be issued for each and every candidate. They have mentioned that like the candidate of the applicant would be provisional and subjected to subsequent verification of document and experience as per the applicable of a candidate. So going ahead with that, the selected candidate mentioned in grade B details of post education qualification, age, except from the medical officer, they will serve minimum year 3 for the company. If the candidate has leave the company within 3 years, they will be pay a certain amount of bond. So you need to undergo the bond for minimum 3 years in an organization, and posting will be depend upon the Oil India subsidiaries. So whenever they require, they are allowed or they are able to take a selected candidate in any of the operational areas or officers in Oil India requirement in the company. The service are transferable as per the requirement of the company. Going ahead with the date and all those things, the opening date for the online submission of application was 15th of September at 5 PM, and last date of submission of online application was 10th of October at 12 AM. So you need to fill this form within that range only. So if you have any type of doubt related to that or any query, and if you want to give a feedback to our videos, then do mention in a comment box. And if you like our videos, then definitely subscribe to our channel. And thanks for